Now this is what inspired me to make this video, is this nice launch ramp right here. Well, it's actually not a launch ramp, it's a takeout ramp. See, it's angled towards how the river's coming down, and you can just shoot your boat right up this ramp. Water, it's gonna be nice and safe for everybody. Whoa! Now this is what inspired me to make this video, is this nice launch ramp right here. Well, it's actually not a launch ramp, it's a takeout ramp. See, it's angled towards how the river's coming down, and you can just shoot your boat right up this ramp. People are launching their boats here and they're going down, and there's this really big drop down there, and it's really dangerous. And it's really important to take your boat out where it's safe. Starting to lose light a little bit, but we're way down here past the takeout, way down past the exit, and see where these guys are going over here to the left. There's a way to go, and you know, I say if you end up going past that takeout, first of all, don't go past that takeout. That is the end of the road. You don't want to come down here because there's a great big drop right there, and it's dangerous, and nobody should go down it. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here to the left and hook around. You'll see right there, in a cool little spot to take out. And you know what? Don't tell anybody, but this is one hell of a fishing hole. I'm just gonna pull over. Those guys, they're pulling their boats out right there, and they're getting out, and they're going, and they're putting them back in. And so they're not riding that little canal anywhere, and they're not going down the drop. They're just taking out and putting back in so that they can continue on, which is kind of neat, because it's what this video is all about. So, if you made it this far, thanks for watching. Let's get 20 likes on this video and I'll make another one. So that's the end of our float today, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoy all these videos of the safety tips, the fun tips, all the cool stuff. I want everybody to really enjoy this river. And if you see how many subscribers we got, let's match that on thumbs up on this video. And if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button, because there's more to come. Summer's not over, guys.